Two giants in the world of finding legal help, Avvo and UpCounsel. One serves everyone, the other just the legal elite. So which one really delivers? On the left, Avvo, helping millions quickly connect with attorneys across the country. On the right, UpCounsel, the go-to for top business lawyers and tailored legal solutions. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to what actually matters for your legal needs. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The final verdict just might surprise you. Okay, real quick, here's the game plan. We're comparing these two across pricing and billing, service model and access, features and tools, reputation and attorney quality, and yeah, who they're actually best for. Got it? Let's jump in. Let's kick off with pricing. So Avvo, it's got this free directory for finding lawyers, super handy if you just wanna browse, plus that Q&A forum is a godsend for those super random legal questions. Oh, and fixed-price legal advice packs can be dirt cheap, sometimes starting at $39. Not bad at all. But hey, heads up, if you want to pimp your profile or get noticed faster, those features cost extra. Now, UpCounsel puts a spin on things. You're looking at huge savings. Seriously, they advertise rates 60–70% less than old-school firms. You post your job and lawyers pitch you offers with their prices up front. Love that transparency. But watch out for a sneaky 5% service fee and you won't know exact pricing till attorneys respond. Overall, UpCounsel totally wins the wallet battle here. Jumping over to how you actually get help, Avvo's got nearly every single US attorney listed, like 97%. It's wild. You can search, message, compare attorneys instantly, and yeah, that open Q&A forum pops up again. Downside, sometimes your matches can feel random and honestly the search algorithm is kinda a black box. UpCounsel though plays hardball, only the top 5% make it in, think Ivy League type stuff. If you're posting a job, you'll get custom proposals tailored to you, but you do have to chill and wait for lawyers to reply, so it's not instant gratification. Perfect for big matters, not so much for quick fixes. The winner here. Avvo takes it for sheer accessibility and speed. Now for features, Avvo's got ratings, reviews, attorney disciplinary records, pretty cool for scoping people out. You can message lawyers directly, get docs reviewed, all that, but document tools are pretty barebones and advanced profile stuff, gotta pay up. UpCounsel goes next level. You get a whole workspace with centralized chat, unlimited doc storage, even e-signatures and slick billing tools. Version control, transparency, it's all there. Quirk, they don't have a ton of DIY templates compared to giants in the field, but feature-wise, UpCounsel's in a class of its own and snags the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Avvo, it has profiles for pretty much every US attorney, 97%, whereas UpCounsel literally handpicks only the industry's elite top 5%. Makes you think, right? Reputation and attorney quality, oof, this is where the vibes really shift. Avvo's huge, tons of traffic, and those big client-attracting profiles are great if you're an attorney, but can we talk about their ratings? Folks sometimes question how fair or accurate those are, plus, lawyers don't have tons of control over their public info. UpCounsel though, attorneys here rock serious experience, 14 years on average. Only the top 5% get approved, it's super strict. The catch, total pool of lawyers is smaller, but you're getting legit talent every time. That's gotta count. UpCounsel comes out on top for quality. So who's each platform best for? Avvo shines for regular people just needing quick answers, or if you wanna scroll through a mountain of attorney choices. It covers every area, super easy. If you need specialized business law stuff, that's not Avvo's strong suit, honestly. UpCounsel's built for business complexity. Got a transactional issue or want ongoing legal help? Perfect fit, and you get proposals crafted to you. Downside, if you just have a simple one-off question, might feel like overkill. For this category, it's a genuine tie, depends on your needs. Zooming out, you can really see the strengths. UpCounsel dominates pricing and features, plus gets the nod for reputation and attorney quality. But Avvo, with that massive attorney list and instant answers, seriously holds its own for accessibility. So, you know what? If you want fast answers and an epic lineup of lawyers, Avvo's the move. But if you're all about business legal help, super vetted attorneys, and wanna save big on serious stuff, UpCounsel is the clear winner for quality and value in 2025. If you found this breakdown helpful, stick around for more killer comparisons. There's a ton more where that came from. See you next time.